There are places we pass through, some which are familiar, and others which are simply forgotten. Places in which a certain fragrance still hangs in the air, whispers, memories, stories. Our story begins in Montmartre, Paris, during the Roaring Twenties. In a hair salon, filled with the palpable optimism of a new chapter about to begin, a young man could sense the dawn of a new era. That young man's name was Albert Ducret.
Albert Ducret, c'était un sacré bonhomme, c'était un type formidable, et c'était mon père. C'était un père attentif et surtout complice, avec moi. L'une des qualités clés de mon père, la curiosité. La curiosité et l'attention donc au monde qui l'entourait, qui lui permettait donc d'avoir un ressenti, une sensibilité qui certainement lui a été utile tout au long de sa vie.
Albert's remarkable adventure started at the age of 16. After a successful school career, he left Nice and set off for the capital. Even though his family wanted him to become a doctor, he found a job as a helper boy in a hair salon.
Mon père n'avait aucun atome crochu avec le monde médical, mais la curiosité de ce qu'il voyait, de ce qu'il apprenait au sein des grands salons de coiffure était baignée dans la culture qui était celle de son père, le docteur Jean-Baptiste Ducret, qui était la dermatologie, et il échangeait assez souvent avec lui sur des choses qu'il constatait et sur lesquelles il se posait des questions pour savoir quelles solutions pouvaient être mises en place à ce moment-là.
Albert was a fast learner and soon realized that no products for the hair were available at all. That was when he decided to go for it.
En 1929, il crée sa première gamme de shampoings qui ont comme qualité essentielle d'être en dose individuelle, ce qui n'existait pas à cette époque-là. Je rappelle qu'à cette époque, on se lave les cheveux peu souvent et on se lave les cheveux au savon de Marseille. 2 ans plus tard, son intuition va beaucoup plus loin. Il invente de toutes pièces une gamme de shampoings qui se présente à ce moment-là sous forme d'ampoules individuelles en verre, à base d'excipients naturels, adaptés à chaque type de chevelure. Ceci n'existait absolument pas. C'est une révolution.
And so the hair care industry was born. Ducret shampoos were met with huge success and went on to become a benchmark in the field.
Aux alentours des années 1950, mon père a une autre intuition. C'est de mettre en adéquation sa gamme de shampoings médicaux avec un circuit de distribution qui est celui de la pharmacie d'officine. Il faut se souvenir qu'à cette époque, la pharmacie d'officine est très traditionnelle et peu ouverte sur la cosmétologie. Et ça marche bien. Ce qui l'amène d'ailleurs par la suite à diversifier son offre produit en conservant la même philosophie, mais non plus seulement adaptée donc à la chevelure, mais également à la peau. Nous sommes en 1969 et donc papa a 68 ans. Et je crois qu'il recherchait honnêtement quelqu'un qui puisse continuer son œuvre. Il a eu, à cette époque, la chance ou l'opportunité, je ne sais, de rencontrer Pierre Fabre. Et là, ce sont 2 hommes qui, selon moi, avaient beaucoup de points communs. C'était 2 hommes qui étaient des visionnaires, et il était très clair que la vision de mon père était certainement entre bonnes mains avec Pierre Fabre.
Albert Ducret's dreams went on to become a reality. And from the 70s, Mr. Pierre Fabre brought a new dimension to the brand. The Extra Gentle shampoo was the first step. This shampoo was designed to protect the hair, and it allowed the brand to reach out to doctors, finally providing them with a product that could soften and restore balance to scalps damaged by irritant treatments. The public loved it. It was the first frequent use shampoo, and it became a household name for generations to come. In the 80s, boosted by the support from the medical community, Ducret took up the skincare challenge. Thanks to a galenic formula that is still considered quite an achievement, Ictian was created. In those days, acne treatments prescribed by doctors were quite harsh on the skin. clinical expertise, one of the standards of the Pierre Fabre Group, helped prove Ictian's incredible hydrating efficacy. Healthcare professionals began prescribing this dermocosmetic product, which provided solution for an entire generation of teenagers with dry, damaged skin. The Ducré brand continued to make progress in dermatological research. In the 90s, 20 products were launched. Dermatologists now had several solutions for their patients' skin conditions, and the closing of the 20th century saw the launch of Kerac-Nil, which went on to become one of the most prescribed treatments for acne-prone skin. The new century is entering in the digital era. Information travels at the speed of light and overcomes borders. The notoriety of Ducré products now exceeds European borders and are distributed in more than 60 countries and on all continents. Kelual DS Anti-Dandruff Shampoo and Anacaps, a food supplement that helps slow down hair loss, complete Ducré solutions for all hair types. Recognition is there. In Europe, Ducré Hair Care is now available in pharmacies and parapharmacies. In 2010, Ducré entered a new development phase with one strong conviction: useful innovation. Indeed, from the beginning, Ducré has defined innovation to serve the conception of care products in order to improve daily life. This is how we created our Soothing Repair Cream, the result of 11 years of research, which is today the only medical device that treats eczema lesions thanks to its ultra-hydrating dressing effect. As co-designers of our products, our patients and healthcare professionals are consulted before the development phase even begins in order to collect their experiences and expectations. So naturally, 2020 will see yet another turning point in Ducré's history with the creation of the Quality of Life Index. The aim? To be able to precisely measure the impact that dermatological disorders can have on patients' lives and to better support them on a day-to-day basis. The Ducré brand remains loyal to its roots and will continue in the spirit of its founders, using research and innovation to care for all types of skin and hair. Tomorrow's discoveries will definitely become the top products of the future. This beautiful story began in Paris and continued all over the world. The Ducré brand, the heritage of two men who shared a common vision, looking forward to the future.